Hello and welcome to this course titled Java 8 Lambda Basics. This course covers an exciting addition to the Java programming language as of version 8, which is Lambdas. Lambdas is a new programming construct which lets you build Java applications in a completely different paradigm. There is a kind of a paradigm shift from the traditional object-oriented programming that we are used to in Java 7. This is an introductory course which covers Java 8 Lambdas. This assumes no previous knowledge of Lambdas or of any of the features in Java 8. This does assume that you are familiar with Java programming and you have coded using a previous version of Java. It could be Java 6 or Java 7. We're going to be focusing only on Java 8 in this course and specifically about the Lambda features that were introduced in Java 8. So here's a quick overview of what I plan to cover in this course and what you can hope to take away from it. We're going to start this course by really looking at what Lambdas are. Again, like I said, this is a new paradigm, so we'll spend some time and understand what Lambdas bring to the table and why they're even added to the Java spec. We'll then move on to using Lambdas. We'll write some sample code which uses the Lambdas that we've learned, and we'll learn some of the features of Lambdas along the way. A couple of important concepts that we'll be covering are functional interfaces and method references. If you haven't heard these terms before, then these wouldn't obviously make sense, but these are concepts that are associated with Lambdas. We will really look at what they are and use them in some sample code. Finally, we're going to be looking at some improvements to the collections APIs in Java 8, specifically in the context of Lambdas. Now that Lambda has been introduced into the language, there are ways in which the collection APIs could use it, and they have actually made changes to the APIs in order to leverage Lambdas to work better with the collections. So this is something that I'm going to just briefly touch upon at the end of this course. This is a whole different topic on its own. We're just going to be looking at it in the context of Lambdas, and we'll be looking at a couple of API changes that really benefit from the addition of Lambda into the Java language. Well, that's a lot to cover, so let's get started.